Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti. Today it's going to be another festive makeup look. Please don't ask me how many festival makeup look will you upload, Shivanti. I totally understand, but I seriously don't know what title to come up with. That's why I'm doing this Indian festival makeup look. Indian festival get ready with me. Get ready with me for my friend's wedding. Wedding guest get ready with me. If you take a close look at all the titles that I've given to my videos, I mean my makeup videos, it'll have one of these three words: festival or festive, Indian, wedding. Today's makeup look is going to be way different from all the makeup looks that I've uploaded in YouTube, but there is a similar one in Insta. But anyway, not so many of you are following me on Insta, no. In YouTube itself, nobody is following me. According to analytics, 53% of people are watching my videos without subscribing. Thank you. So this is the makeup look that I'll be creating in today's video. Pretty, right? Surprisingly, yes, it is pretty. And in case if you're wondering where my top is from, like even if you're not wondering, I'm anyway gonna tell it, so please cooperate. So this is how the top looks. I just love the color of the top. This is from this website called Trell, and the only problem is this is in the size S. My size is XS, so it is a bit loose, so I've just pinned it here so that it doesn't seem odd when I'm showing it to you guys. So this is basically how the top looks. I just love the color of this top. Then I received this maxi dress. This is my mom's favorite. Like you can wear this to the beach or something like that. You can even wear this with a cap like this, I mean hat like this. And if you're so interested about the hat, sorry, I can't help you. This is my own property. This is not from Trell. Nice, no? I got this hat from Shein. Even this is a little bit loose because this is in the size S, but other than that, the top looks really cute. I received all these dresses from Trell. Trell is a shopping app and also a video platform. There are some slashes in the prices right now, like up to 70%, and also you get additional 20% off when you use my coupon code. I'll put the links and the coupon code down in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. And also you have free delivery on all orders. Now let's get back to business. First, I'm going to be applying obviously the only moisturizer that I have. This is from Cosrx. It is their oil-free moisturizer. I'm going to take a little and apply it all over my face. Now I'm going to take a little bit extra and apply it around my eyes instead of an oil. Instead of an eye cream. Now I'm gonna use a primer. This one is from Maybelline. And what, Shivanti, you're using primer and all suddenly means? Today only I remembered to use it. Like usually I'll bring it to the desk, finish the whole process of makeup and everything, and while cleaning the desk only I'll remember that there is something called primer itself. So today I've literally written it down in a paper to use primer. You people are watching my makeup video. This is actually Maybelline's Matte Plus Poreless Primer. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Then I'm gonna be using this orange corrector. This one is from PAC and this is in the shade Rusty Orange. Though I was scolding you guys for making me buy this, I'm kind of loving it right now. Don't use a lot, be very careful, else you have to use a container full of concealer to cover this orange itself. So be careful, use a little. I'm gonna use this Kutty Beauty Blender. This is from PAC again, and I'm gonna push this into my skin. I'm gonna use a little bit extra, little bit. I'll just try using a brush because with Beauty Blender I'm not able to reach the corner. This brush is by the way from Miniso, my favorite brush. For 260 rupees you get 2 brushes and their brushes are really good. Then for concealer I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. For foundation today I'm going to be using this Too Faced foundation. This is in the shade Maple. This is one of my most favorite foundations. I know most of you are not gonna like this because this is high end, but I've been constantly using all drugstore affordable products. Today for a change, I wanna use this, so please bear with me. Mostly while traveling only I take all high-end products, because if I use them in my videos, you people are asking me nicely, why can't you use drugstore products or what? Madam is one celebrity YouTuber, she will use only high-end products. First of all, I don't even consider myself as a YouTuber, and on top of the celebrity YouTuber. And if my father hears any of this, that's it. He'll take his slippers and he'll start chasing me. 4 years engineering, 2 years post-graduations, I made you study, you're sitting and doing YouTube videos. Then using this Nykaa compact powder in the shade Honey, I'm gonna set my entire face. This is the first time I'm gonna use this product. To set the area around my eyes alone, I'm using this brush. This is from Miniso, the same brush which I used to apply my concealer. Then using Miss Class eyebrow pencil, I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Probably for the next 1 month, I will be just using this product. I'll just get the maximum use of it, and then Nykaa's Pink Friday sale will come. In that, we'll get new product. Now comes the eye makeup. I'm trying to use all the palettes which I've never used before in the video. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using today, and this is from Makeup Revolution. It is Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful colors. This makeup look is going to be very simple. I'm just going to take this color and kind of fill in my eyelids. Then I'm going to take a brown shade and kind of soften my crease. Then I'm going to take a blue eyeliner from Lakme and kind of draw a thin line.
Excuse me? Hi. Hello?
You people weren't able to see anything? Oh my god. Wait. It's looking good only. Not bad. I'm going to take the same pink color which I applied over my lids and apply it in my lower waterlines as well. And then I'm gonna take this Faces Kajal. Can you hear my stupid dog barking? Even if the thief comes, it will be silent only in normal days. I'm taking video, no. That's why everything is happening. So I'm just gonna take this Faces Canada Kajal and apply it in my lower waterlines. Finally, mascara. For mascara, I'm going to use this Smashbox mascara. I don't know where I kept my Fay Beauty mascara. This Lakme eyeliner is a beautiful blue color. Blush, I'm going to use this K Beauty blush in the shade Deep Plum. Highlighter, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Blush lighter over, no? I'm taking a little bit and then dabbing it in a tissue and then applying it. But still see. For lipstick, I'm going to use Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mauve Ecstasy. Nice, no? That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the look that I created today, and in case if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel. 53% of the people, please subscribe. And what else? Comment down below, comment your thoughts, I'll reply, and that's it. Ta-ta.